If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the size of the canvas in Photoshop, use the Canvas Size command in the menu bar. This command lets you change the size of the canvas of the Photoshop file. For example, you can use this command to crop an image in a Photoshop document by decreasing its canvas size. To change the canvas size in Photoshop, select Image, Canvas Size from the menu bar to open the Canvas Size dialog box. The current Photoshop document canvas dimensions appear in the Current Size section at the top of the dialog box. To set the new canvas size, type the new number for the width into the Width field and then use the adjacent drop-down to the right to select its associated unit of measurement. Then type the number for the height into the Height field, and use its adjacent drop-down to select the associated unit of measurement. Note that the two units of measurement must be the same, and changing one also changes the other. Alternatively, to change the canvas size in relation to its current size, check the Relative checkbox, which resets any sizing changes you made, and then enter numbers and units to adjust the canvas size in relation to its current size. For example, adding 2 inches if Relative is checked adds 2 inches to the existing values of the current canvas size. To set the anchor point for the canvas resizing in Photoshop, click a square to set as the anchor point for the canvas resizing in the Anchor section. The growth or shrinkage of the canvas occurs in the direction shown by the arrows that extend from the selected square. To select the color to apply to the canvas extension, if extending the size of the canvas in Photoshop, select a choice from the Canvas Extension Color dropdown. Alternatively, click the small color box to the right of the drop-down to select a custom color using the Color Picker Canvas Extension Color dialog box if you prefer. To apply the changes to the canvas size, click the OK button in the Canvas Size dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.